Today we're going to do a little video on inspecting the clutch. We've hit about 330 miles and haven't taken off the clutch cover yet to inspect it and see how it's doing. So today we're going to do that. I know there is some concern out there with the square pucks causing some damage to the secondary clutch, and I have purchased the rollers and a new belt from Hunter Works that a lot of people have been impressed with. But hopefully things look okay. I don't really have time to change it right now before we go on a trip to the dunes next week. So if everything looks good, then I'll probably just keep it as is. So to get into the clutch, I've already gone through and kind of removed some of this to make this video shorter, but there's 8 screws that go around the clutch cover. And then you just have to remove this air hose. So what I have to do is loosen up that clamp with a regular screwdriver and loosen up those 8 screws. That should come off. A little juggling work, trying to do that with one hand holding the phone. So here's the square pucks, I like to say, that they've done on the general, and right now, from what I can see, it doesn't really seem to be any wear, and I haven't really hammered this machine at all so far in the first 300 miles or so, so I was hoping that there wouldn't be any wear on there. So we'll at least go ahead and spray it out with some air, get the dust and things out of there, so that hopefully it'll continue to wear well. Alright, so there's quite a bit of dust coming out of that, so I brought it outside, sprayed it all out. It's been about 5 minutes or so, spraying it with the air compressor, getting the primary and secondary clutch pretty clean. So we'll just put it back together and look forward to riding next week at the dunes for the first time in the general. When putting in the screws, be careful not to over tighten them. They really don't require too much pressure, and it should hold that cover on pretty well. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos. Should be some of the sand dunes. Thanks for watching.